Hello, third graders. In this video lesson, we will do some literacy. And this is a very special video lesson because in this video lesson, we will learn a new sound. So I hope you can pay a lot of attention and repeat and do the exercises as I do it during the video. All right? So let's rock. I will use my flashcards to remember some of the sounds we have learned before. The first sound is this one, the sound. This one is E, as in egg. E, as in egg. Can you repeat the sound, please? Well done. Good job. Let's review some words with this sound. Let's use our finger to do some blending. E, d, end. P, t, pet. S, d, send. Excellent. Don't forget to repeat the words and the sounds. The next flashcard will show you and remember this sound. The sound, remember the sound. The sound of this grapheme is A, as in umbrella. A, as in umbrella. Can you repeat the sound, please? Excellent. Good job. Some words with this sound are this: a, p, up, k, t, cat, d, k, duck. Excellent. The next flashcard is to review the sound R, as in rabbit. R, as in rabbit. Can you repeat the sound, please? Good job. R. Let's do some blending. R, I, p, rip. The next one. D, r, o, p, drop. R, a, run. Excellent. And the last sound, the sound we learned in March, is this one. You might remember it. Exactly. As in hat. As in hat. Let's do some blending. Hag. Hit. Hip. Good job. Now we have finished with this reviewing, we're going to learn a new sound. And which is this new sound? Well, give me a second and I'm going to share a PowerPoint with you with this new sound. Okay. Exactly. This is the new sound. B, as in bone. B, as in bone. Here we have, let's do some blending. B, e, g. I'm sorry that the g sound doesn't look very well. I will fix it. Let's repeat it. B, e, g, big. Let's continue with something delicious. Let's do some blending. B, a, n, s, bands. Let's repeat it. B, a, n, s, buns. Well done. And finally, something to have a nice rest. B, e, d, bed. B, e, d, bed. Fantastic. Let's continue. Now, we're going to do some blending of these words here. Let's start with this one here. B, a, g, bag. Under this word, we have this one here. B, a, k, back. Then we have b, I, t, s, bits. And the last word on this column is b, o, b, s, bobs. In the second column, we will find the word, and let's do some blending. B, e, d, bed. The next word is b, I, g, big. The third word is k, r, a, b, crab. And the last word is b, a, m, p, bamp. What are we going to do now? We will do now some segmenting. Okay? I will say some words, 4 probably, and then we have to draw the dashes to see how many sounds can we get from each word. Don't worry, because I will help you in this part. But give me a second, because I need to share something else, another resource. So I will share with you a blank page. Ta-da! This one. This is just a blank page. So let's start with the first one. The first word has these sounds. So think about how many spaces or how many of this, how many of these dashes I can make. Okay, for example, if I say b, I, g, how many dashes you have to draw? 4, 3, 1. Well, the correct answer is 3, because b, I, g, b, e, g, big. Okay? Let's continue with the first word. The sounds are this. Pay attention. You can use a whiteboard or you can use a paper sheet. Okay? Let's start. Look at me. B, a, t, s. I repeat. B, a, t, s. How many dashes? How many spaces? Okay, let's check. B, A, T, B, A, T, S. Four dashes. Excellent. 2. Pay attention and look at me and pay attention. B, E, D, B, E, D. How many sounds? How many dashes? Let's check. B, E. Sorry. D. Let's check the 3 spaces because it's B, E, D, bed. Great. Let's continue. Another one. The sounds are B, A, G. One more time. B, A, G. Excellent. How many sounds? How many dashes? B, A, G. Let's check the word. B, A, G. Bag. And the last one. B, A, K. One more time. B, A, K. How many dashes? How many sounds? Let's check. B, A, K. 3 dashes, 3 sounds. How can be that possible? B, A, K. Look, K. 1 sound, but 2 graphemes. Okay. So I hope you have learned with this presentation. And remember, today we have learned the sound B, as in bone. In our next video lesson of literacy, we will do some practice together. We will do some practice together. Okay, we're going to do practice doing some blending with our finger, but also we will do some segmenting using our fingers and our fist and fingers. Okay, so I hope to see you soon and keep practicing literacy. Bye-bye.